Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by deciding one clear goal for this travel session. You can't do everything. Once chosen, pack a minimal focus kit, earbuds, charger, small notebook, so you eliminate friction. Next, set a 30-minute focus block with a 10-minute break. This 30/10 rhythm keeps attention sharp on the move. Make sure to schedule the first block for a stable moment, on the plane or during a train stretch, so you begin with momentum and reduce early distractions. Once en route, switch to airplane mode but allow vetted Wi-Fi if needed. You reduce interruptions while keeping connectivity options. Then, start 30/10 blocks with a visible timer so you feel accountable. Use an app if you prefer. Focus on one task only, break it into 3 micro goals, because smaller steps maintain momentum when travel unpredictability appears. If noise is an issue, use noise canceling or ambient tracks. You end each session by reviewing completed micro goals and logging one clear outcome. This cements progress. Then, perform a 5-minute reset, stretch, drink water, jot a quick note, so you transition cleanly back to travel or resting. If you encounter persistent distraction, shorten the next block to 15 minutes and retry. This reduces resistance and rebuilds confidence. Finally, make sure to adjust environment or schedule for the next block. Small tweaks prevent repeated failures and keep your focus method resilient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.